Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins on Ubuntu 24.04 Noble version. Open Firefox or Google Chrome, go to jenkins.io. This is the official website for Jenkins. Click on download, scroll down, see here. Before downloading, please take a moment to review hardware and software requirements. So right click on it, open link in new tab, see. These are all matched and software requirements are Java requirements. Right click on it, open that also in new tab. See the supported versions are, these are the versions. So I'm going to use OpenJDK 17 or 11. Okay, open terminal, verify whether Java is installed or not. See, we don't have Java installed. So install it by running this command. Copy this one. I will keep this command in the video description. Copy it, paste it, hit enter, and provide the password of sudo user, type Y for confirmation and hit enter. See, prerequisite matched. Then next, Linux support policy. Scroll down, select the Ubuntu lifecycle and release cadence. See, it supports 24.04 LTS Noble and 22.04. Okay, no need to worry. So both prerequisites matched. See here we have the download Jenkins 2.440. It is the LTS, but 2.4555 is not the LTS version. So we have to install the LTS version. LTS means long term support. So then click on the Ubuntu or Debian because we are installing on Ubuntu. So after that we have to execute these commands one by one. Copy it, go to terminal, Ctrl L to clear screen, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now add this Jenkins apt repository. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now we have to update the packages. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. It is done. I will keep this link in the video description. Also I will keep Java installation command also. So next, run this command. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. This is also done. Now install Jenkins by copying this one. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is successfully installed Jenkins 2.4.2.44. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now verify Jenkins status by running the command sudo systemctl status Jenkins and hit enter. See, Jenkins service is running and service is enabled. Let me maximize this one. See here we can find the admin password at this location. Q to quit. So we have installed Jenkins and its service is started. Now go to the browser, then give https localhost port number 8080. Hit enter. It is http, not s. Give this one and hit enter. See, we can get the password from here. Here also it is also asking the same. This is the password. Okay, copy it, or if you want get confirmation, cat this file, copy it, more, then paste it. See, it is permission error, sudo. See, we got the same password. This and this both are same. So copy it, paste it and hit enter. Click on continue. Never. Now we have to install the suggested plugins. So click on install suggested plugins. See, it is going to install all these plugins. This may take time. Okay. See, some plugins failed to install properly. So click on retry. See, now it is installed. So click on continue. Now we have to create the first admin user. Name can be anything, or simply give the administrator. Then provide the password for this username. Then give the full name. I am giving same as administrator. Provide your email. We must give the email. So give any email. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the URL. If you want customize, you can customize. Otherwise, click on save and finish. See, your Jenkins setup is complete. So click on start using Jenkins. See, this is the Jenkins dashboard. If you want to create new item, you have to click on here. If you want to create a job, you have to click on create a job. If you want manage Jenkins, like if you want to add plugins, you have to click on here. Click on plugins, then click on available plugins. See, you can see here. You can search for available plugins. If you want to see the installed plugins, click on here. See, these are the list of the plugins installed. Advanced settings. Okay. If you want to see updates, see, we don't have any updates. Okay. Go back to dashboard. This is the video for only installation and configuration. I will create separate videos for the Jenkins videos, Jenkins tutorials. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Jenkins. Then we have seen how to configure Jenkins on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. For more Jenkins or Ubuntu tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.